Hello guys, and today's video I'm gonna be playing Euro Truck Evolution. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please smash that subscribe button, and I hope you like this video. And let's get into the video. Let's play a new game. Yes. Let's go. Let's go Madrid. To be honest, please don't judge how I drive. But I'm decent. I'm decent at driving. I like this camera. Let's see. Let's do. No, not cement. These, the ones that are like orange, are the ones that are worth so much. I don't want to sacrifice. Okay, let's do it. But I'm in Madrid and I'm gonna go to Barcelona. I don't think it's too far. Let's go for the fire truck. It's gonna waste a lot of my fuel. Just saying, it's gonna lose a lot. And that, when I mean a lot, I mean it's a lot of fuel. This one. I have a time limit? No way. I have a time limit to get there? No way. Since this is a truck, I have to go very deep into the road like that. I can get past, I think. No, I can't. Fudge! I did that on accident. Trust me. I so did that on accident because I clicked the wrong thing. Barcelona, I think I saw. Yes. I'm a decent driver, you see? My fuel is okay. Hey, no, don't go past me like that. Oh, I'm allowed to go so fast now. Woo! Speed. Okay, like this, I'm able to drive. Okay, I can go so fast. Already on 12 minutes, 2 minutes. I've been driving for 2 minutes. I put it on auto, so like it can stay on the speed that I like. For example, I'm just accelerating, and then I press. You see the reverse, under the reverse, you press that, and then whatever speed it's on, it just stays on that speed. For some reason, it won't go above 90. Trust me, I don't think I'm gonna make this turn very clean. I crashed on a car. Oh, that's legit. Not funny. Just gonna go on this road. Oh no, I'm not gonna go on that road. Look at that train. Lonely. I am so lonely. My cousin roasted me and he said I'm so lonely because I sing the song Lonely. That's actually not funny. He says I listen to the song every day. Well, guess what, my guy? I don't. The weather's good. I'm gonna reply. It's clear.
It's clear for miles.
Wait, why is it on? Why is this on? No, I don't want that one. I'm going off. Okay, the speed too fast. Let me see the fuel. No, I can't stop, legit. I legit can't stop. Oh yeah, the fuel's still good. I don't need no flash! Hopefully I get there with successfully. Let me just see how far away I am right now. I'm not too far. But on the map it shows that I'm so close. But to be honest, I'm not too close. As how it looks like. I can Invinci, I can go past you. No, I can't. What's this? He's getting further away from me every second. Now he has disappeared. Nope, he hasn't. I'm getting so close to him. I'm gonna get past him right now in about 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, 1, and I'm past you. I'm legit going like so fast. Quick, I haven't got. When you're going fast in this game and you're trying to turn and you're on the highway, highway, whatever. Yeah, sometimes when you're trying to steer, you're just like gonna get off control. I just can't stop. Let me see how much time I got left. 7 minutes! That is not fair. Is currently 8:28. In the game. If you see the map closely. Barcelona, yes. Direction to Barcelona. Yes, I'm nearly there. Yep, I'm in the city of Barcelona. Why Why me? Legit. Legit. Why me? Yeah, I'm kind of in the city of Barcelona. I just need to stay on the highway for a little bit longer, then I'm all good. Yes. This game's actually pretty good for people that like driving. It got sound effects of night and daytime. I haven't got all day for you. No, not that. This! Fudge me so hard. Fudge my life. No, not fudge my life. Now I'm stuck.
How's the weather up ahead?
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
It's clear for miles.
No, I can't move. I cannot move. I legit can't move. And if that's gonna happen, I'm gonna have to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed the video. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.